Hi, I'm Jimmy. If you've ever analyzed oil and gas companies, well, you might have come across a slide like this. This is a slide from the company Occidental Petroleum, ticker symbol OXY. And essentially what this gives us is the sensitivity to that particular company, the sensitivity to their numbers from an oil perspective. How much does a single barrel of oil move that their underlying numbers? In the case of Occidental, well, they actually give us pre-tax cash flow sensitivity numbers, and they explain that for every $1 in the increase in the price of oil, what they could sell their oil for, they expect an increase of $240 million to their pre-tax numbers. Now, I'm going to run through a quick example, and I'm going to use some of their numbers from 2025 just to illustrate how we could use this information. Now, they also tell us that the average price that oil was sold for in 2025 was $65 per barrel. So recently, oil prices have seen a big jump in the price of oil, also the volatility of oil prices. But let's imagine that we're going to sell the oil, that Occidental is going to sell their oil for $85 per share instead of $65 per share. Well, that would increase their sale price by $20 per barrel. Now, to be consistent and keep the math simple, well, we're going to assume that production stays the same. So they don't increase production, even though most companies would try to increase production if they could sell it for higher prices, but we're not going to assume that. Baseline numbers, all the expenses and production stays the same. Now, Occidental specifically defined their number as a pre-tax number. And essentially, what we can do is we could take their pre-tax number of $240 million, multiply it by 1 minus the tax rate, and we get a net income impact of $168 million per $168 million impact for every $1 increase in the price of oil. So if oil prices went up by $20 a barrel, well, we can simply do that math and we end up with a net income of about $5.7 billion versus last year's net income of about $2.4 billion. Now, the only assumption we've made here is that oil prices, nothing else changes. Oil prices go up by 20 bucks a barrel. We can then take that net income, break it down into earnings per share, and essentially we have to determine what the PE multiple, what a good PE multiple would be. I took the PE multiple over the throughout 2025. Throughout 2025, their average PE multiple was 15x. We've multiplied that 15x by the new calculated earnings per share. And that would imply that the fair value of this company should be about $87 per share. So if you're looking for a quick and easy way, if you have a reason to believe that oil prices will change either positively or negatively, it is not difficult to come up with a very reasonable fair value calculation. Now, at the time of the recording of this video, well, this was quite a long way up for a company like Occidental. And if we believe that oil prices would stay up there, this could be an interesting one to analyze. Now, if you'd like to sign up to get access to the Investors Grow website, where we try to make it quick and easy to analyze companies, I'll leave a link right here, a link in the description below. And thank you so much for sticking with me all the way to the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.